Good morning guys, long time no see. Today I have my hair up and I am just doing a what I eat in a day video sort of thing. I just thought I would show you what I'm eating at the moment, and possibly if you sort of like this, maybe you can make it a weekly thing or a 2 weekly thing sort of thing. I am quite busy at the moment with uni work, so that's why I haven't been able to upload as regularly. So let's go downstairs and have some breakfast. Right, so as you saw, I just made my smoothie. I've got the nutritional values here. I'm using the app LifeSum just because it's really easy to put it in. I used to use MyFitnessPal and I was quite reluctant to change after, but actually I've kind of got used to this now. So I put 1 glass of apple juice in, 2 smoothie mixes in and the peanut butter in, and together it came to 293 calories, only 7 grams of protein. I kind of needed a bit more, so I just have to make up for that in lunch and dinner. And my snack, 55 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fat, and that is the main ones. I'm only doing macros at the moment. I'm taking some supplements at the moment just because why not? These I'm just using up because we had so many in our cupboard. So I know they don't do anything, but yeah, they needed eating up, and I'd rather eat them up than throw them away because I don't want to waste things. These are my healthy hair vitamins that I've been using. They're really good. My hair has actually grown so much since using them. I always take a vitamin C tablet a day just because my immune system is not the best immune system anyway, and with winter I am prone to getting colds and then chest infections with being asthmatic. Omega-3 just because I don't get that much fish, so yeah, this is pretty good. And then this is apple cider vinegar, so like a teaspoon in 200ml glass of water, and then my smoothie over there, and I'm just going to eat them all up. So I just got back from a nice walk with Dad. Just went down the beach and stuff. It's really nice weather outside. So now I'm a bit hungry. I'm going to have some lunch. This is what I have for lunch. I'll put the macro details on the screen. I had it yesterday, so this is like leftovers from yesterday. So I made like 2 portions, which was good. There's this grumpy thing over here. Go and see if she attacks me. Buddy. Not very happy. No. Oh. What's he doing? Hey. Hello. Hi. 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 Oh. Oh. So something I tend to do a lot when I'm working, have green tea. I literally am drinking about, so I had one this morning. This is like my 3rd or 4th cup and it's just gone through. Help I have a problem. It helps me get through work, so what can you do? At the moment I'm just doing dissertation work, which is great fun. I'm doing my dissertation on A&E wait times, which is great. But yeah, so I'm looking at articles and critiquing them, which is I'm very sweaty actually. This is a bit gross. I'm a bit sweaty, but I've just done, there's a reason for it. Just did the Grace Fit Guide 1 leg workout. I'm still on the 1st week, so yeah, it's hard work, but it's really, really good actually. So I'm sat down because my legs are dead, but I kind of fancied having a snack. So I thought I would look so red. So I thought I would have the classic snack that I go for after working out, which is banana with peanut butter. I would definitely recommend Grace Fit's guides as well, and her resistance bands. Her resistance bands are insane. So for dinner we're just having chicken soup, which is the Covent soup chicken one. Got a couple of slices of wholemeal bread with it just because I'm a bit tired and kind of want a few carbs. So I just have figured out the macros for the chicken soup, which I've just eaten, which was a lovely. Dear my knees, I'm getting old, say that. I am almost 21. For dinner it was 454 calories. I had half a thing of soup. The Covent Garden ones, they come in like a carton with 2 small slices of wholemeal bread and a bit of extra chicken. Protein was 19 grams, carbs 43 and fat 21. So altogether it's quite a good meal. I think I went over my carbs today, but I'm not majorly bothered by that. I think because if I look at my breakfast, I had quite a few carbs for my breakfast because it was so much within the smoothie, and there was a lot of sugar in my smoothie as well. So that's why I tend to not have smoothies that often, because they're not actually that brilliant for you. I mean, if they're made with water, they're a lot better than they are when they're made with apple juice. I made mine with apple juice, but I'd rather have a smoothie that tastes nice once every few weeks than a smoothie that I just don't like drinking, if that makes sense. I'm tracking steps on here. I'm almost at 11,000, which is great because the last few days I've literally been doing like 5,000 max because I've been stuck inside. But yeah, tomorrow I'm working, so we'll be doing a lot more steps as well tomorrow. But yeah, today has been a really productive day. I'm just going to get on with some uni work and also then do a cross stitch because I am a granny and I like cross stitches. But I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. If you liked me doing them, please thumbs it up so I know. And yeah, I would love to do more vlogs like these. I really enjoy watching what I eat in a day videos and more like health related videos at the moment. So if you have got any requests, I know someone said that they wanted me to do some more nursing like related videos, so I'd be happy to do them. I hope you guys still stick around and I will see you in my next video. Bye!